Welcome back. What a last month. Up and down, up and down. Let's just quickly go over to the right here, see exactly what happened visually with the portfolio. This is what the last month looks like. Crazy returns due to that market crash a couple of days ago, or yesterday, sorry. Um, interesting. Everything is falling on its ass, but we are yet making money. I'm currently 35.2% alpha or 12.5% up for the year since January 12th. The market itself is at negative 22 currently. I'm doing all right. And this is just a short update to show you what the book holds. I've actually done a lot of switcheroos over the last little while. I can't remember exactly when the last update was, so I will just start where I bought these options, which just I'm about to close down the Gil, which is currently about 500 bucks in profit. That's up here. That's the Gildan Activewear. I just closed my high yield growth, which I had opened on May 25th, and that went into a 3-to-1. I closed that down at a 3-to-1 profit, which I was very happy with, and that's to explain that spike here at the on the right side. I'm still waiting for my Gildan to go through the roof and close at limit profit. That'd be nice. So I opened that on May 25th. There was another bear pullback. Everybody thought it was the market bottom. It is not. Economically speaking, we are in a show. Um, I opened some QQQs at the end of May, and then the volatility started roughly around the 8th, 9th of June. Um, that volatility brought with it a lot of new opportunities, and as such, my Netflix shorts, all my shorts started taking limit profits. My HYG put, which is the high yield growth bond, that went into a limit profit 3-to-1. My Apple short, and these things worked out pretty nicely, but the VIX went above 30, so it was now time to reduce the portfolio. I was almost 100% utilized here, and I just reduced it about 40%. I'm still net short, currently 57% net short, with a floating of 669.28. That's up to date for today. This is at 2:49 p.m. And yeah, let's just quickly go through the yield. Oh, maybe before we even get started on that, okay, the yield takes a little while to load. See, it's not responding. There's so much stuff on there. A couple of things I've added was the alpha, like your performance over the market, which is really your performance minus the market's performance gives you how much are you up over the market. So I'm 35% alpha, and 12.5% up since May 12th, which is, sorry, January 12th, which is absolutely great. These are the positions. As I said, you can freeze this and go through it. This is an open book thing. I have nothing to hide. Yes, I do have one loser, which is currently losing 24%. Like I said, I'm gonna hold that thing, and I don't care. It's only 900 bucks. I will hold on to it until it goes up. I do believe their business model, and I will stick with it. All right, this company here. It's because they have something to sell that people do want still. And in this day and age, that actually is going hand in hand with what's going on. No need to explain. The VIX, like I said, reducing the long exposure due to the VIX being above 30. You do not want to be long right now. I have to because I'm hedging. I want to take out any squeeze. What's the word I'm looking for? I need more coffee this morning. Um, Danger out of the equation. So that if there's a squeeze, I only get a small one instead of a big one. So I'm always long and short. And longs are not easy to pick in these markets, especially when the VIX is above 30. So all your greatest long positions are going to be suffering right now, and that's due to the fact that this thing is it's highly volatile currently. The S&P 500, I've been saying this for months since I flipped. We're going into a recession. Now they're starting to confirm these things, and Yellen is not confirming it. But, they don't have to tell you the truth. Let's start there. This is my yield. So currently, as of yesterday, which was last update was the 13th, today is the 14th. Let's see if we have an update for today. I doubt it. This gets updated at the end of the year. We're about to invert for the second time. The close-up of this guy right here, which is the tens minus twos, and this is the 10 minus twos just zoomed in. You're looking at a smaller portion right here, and this is what's going on. We are about to invert for the second time. When that happened twice, you know, I don't have to explain too much. It usually happens once and bounces back off and it produces an issue. We've seen that before COVID, okay, and then COVID happened. So we're seeing something similar again, yet instead of a single bounce, we're going to have a double bounce. This time, we are not going to pump the economy with a bunch of money. They are tightening, they are raising the rates, and they're taking the money off the table. No more free money. What's going to happen to when we go through this for the second time? Last time we saved it with free money. What are we going to do now? We're not. This is depressionary. This is 1930s style. And that's what I have to say about it. In the very least, it's going to be a very ugly recession. There's that. USD Canadian, I have it at 1.2285, 2885, sorry. So it is climbing. Overall trend is slowly up. I do have a position in that in Forex. This is obviously my portfolio exposure. It's actually 2969, so ever since yesterday, it's gone up quite a bit more. Today's change is 0.55. Yeah, it's been on an upward trend, obviously, over the last few days there. So US Canadian, my exposure is in Canadian, so in US dollars, so my account grows a little bit faster that way on the Canadian side, which is great. Here's our gold. Let's see what happened to gold yesterday. This was an update from like 1 o'clock in the morning last night when I updated these things when I looked at them again. I had no time to do it during the day. Gold's down. Gold's down almost 1% today. Silver, well, don't need to go through silver. It's just a copy of, and there's the oil, which is a big one, right? And what's going on with oil? 123? Is that where we are? 118. Okay, so it's gone down a little bit, almost 2% today. And that's that. That's the update. I will try to do these a little bit more often. I haven't had the time. I've been busy. I have a different YouTube channel on here where I do a lot of camping and just going into the outdoors. And that's been keeping me busy lately. So I haven't been able to do this. But I, yeah, I hope you like what you see. If you don't, don't. I don't care. I'm running my book open here so you can see what exactly I'm doing. And that's that. And this is everything that's open, and that's how I do it, and that's how it works. And we're currently up 12.5% since we started. So thank you very much, friends, for watching, and I will see you on the next one, hopefully very soon, yeah? Have a good day. How do you turn this off?